Steven.
And my name is Sam. Today we are going to introduce about chemical engineering.
Green Energy Group Department. Okay, first up we are going to talk about the differences about chemistry and chemical engineering department. Because sometimes people still wondering and thought that chemistry and chemical engineering department is similar, but no.
Okay, the first I will introduce chemistry department. Chemistry department is like detective. They study substance down to the atomic level and how they interact, react, and transform into new compounds. They are in it for knowledge and figure out what and why the material will react and transform.
But it's different from chemical engineering department, because in short, chemical engineering department puts all the principles in work, that they apply all the principles to make some useful and innovative products such as fuels and plastics. Which subject is necessary for us to master at the chemical engineering department?
Physics, chemistry, math, and computer programming skills are the basic subject we should study before we continue to study some advanced subject in chemical engineering.
What are some of the abilities that we can learn after we graduate from the chemical engineering department? And also, is there any advantages and some future opportunity for the chemical engineers to find a job?
For example, unit operation is a specified. For example, unit operation is one of the specified subject which is only available in chemical engineering department. And in this study, we will know how to pre-process the raw material and make it into a situation that is more easy to react and transform into the product we want, and also create some innovative products. And by this way, we can also increase the efficiency and make the manufacture more easily and more fast, and bring more economic benefits. I have heard one of future opportunity for chemical engineers is to build and run a factory. Is that true?
For this question, we can ask Professor Shi to gain some information of his experience on running a factory.
Based on your experience, which kind of chemical engineering knowledge and ability can be implemented while building up a factory?
Okay, based on this question, because our major is chemical engineering department, so mainly we focus on the engineering part. And for the factory, I think the most important part is, I would say, maybe the process design. Because in this class, you will identify from the raw material to the final product. In this whole process, you have many data, many chemical reaction, and you need to do some calculation, and all these fundamental technology you can learn from our program. So I think if you ask me, I would say the most important one may be the process design. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
After Professor Shi detailed explanation about illustrating what chemical engineers can do on building a factory, right now let us turn the mic around to Mr. Chen to introducing about the green energy.
We will next discuss three types of renewable energy: solar, wind, and biomass. Photovoltaic systems convert sunlight into electricity by using solar cells. These systems can be used in commercial and industrial applications to provide clean power solutions. Onshore wind farms use wind turbines to convert the energy of the wind into electricity. These facilities are typically located on open land and considerable energy output. Sources of biomass energy include organic materials such as crops, agricultural, and timber solid waste.
After the overview by Mr. Chen, I believe you have concepts in types of green energy. And let's talk about the application of green energy, which is responsible for Mr. Lai and Mr. Xi.
Solar power generation has become a key renewable energy source in Taiwan, thanks to abundant sunlight and strong government support. Here's an overview of Taiwan's solar generation applications.
Geographical and climatic advantage. Taiwan receives abundant sunshine, especially in the central and southern regions, where clear skies provide ideal conditions for solar power generation. The country's warm climate and open spaces on rooftops and in agricultural areas make it well suited for solar panel installations.
Challenges and future development. Taiwan faces challenges such as limited land resources, occasional extreme weather, and high installation costs.
Summary. Solar energy is a critical part of Taiwan's transition to renewable energy, providing a sustainable and low-emission power source. With continuous technological advancements and supportive policies, Taiwan is on track to expand its solar energy footprint, contributing to a cleaner, more resilient energy future.
After listening to all of our topic today, let us turn our concentration to Mr. Lee for the conclusion for the day.
Above all of the points that we illustrated before, we can know that chemical engineering is a department which is learning how to turn the raw material to the product we can use in our daily life. On the other hand, the students who graduate from chemical engineering can also learn the ability to build a factory. Also, it is important for us to elaborate chemical engineering with green energy application such as solar energy, wind energy, and biomass energy. How we can use the natural resources and waste to produce an eco-friendly product.
Hope you learn a lot of information about green energy, chemical engineering. My name is Sam.
And my name is Steven. Thanks for watching our video.